Hey travelers, Grace here. Welcome to your ultimate guide to efficient travel packing with genius TSA-approved hacks for carry-on luggage in 2025. If you're gearing up for a flight, you need these TSA-approved packing hacks to make your carry-on experience smooth and stress-free. Efficient packing isn't just about saving space. It's about avoiding TSA delays and making your airport journey seamless. No alarms, no extra bag checks, just quick, hassle-free travel. Nobody wants to be the one holding up the TSA line for a manual bag inspection. Today, I'm sharing my best TSA-approved packing hacks for 2025, perfect for carry-on luggage and frequent flyers. These travel tips are based on real airport mistakes, updated TSA rules, and my own expert packing strategies. We'll cover clear toiletry bags, organizing electronics, and essential packing cubes for efficient travel. Get ready for next-level suitcase organization and stress-free airport security. Let's get you through TSA faster with these essential travel packing hacks, your ultimate guide to efficient carry-on packing in 2025. Want to breeze through airport security? Here's an essential TSA tip. Pack your carry-on with a clear toiletry bag. Skip the flimsy Ziplocs. Choose a sturdy, travel-friendly toiletry organizer for smart packing. A strong zipper keeps leaks contained and your essentials secure, making your TSA experience smoother. Handles make it easy to grab your TSA bag at security. Another smart packing move. Transparent bags help you breeze through security. No unpacking, no hassle. Use these essential TSA tips for smart packing and enjoy stress-free travel every time. Want to speed through TSA security in 2025? Use these fast-track packing strategies for your electronics. Most 2025 travelers carry laptops, tablets, and headphones in their carry-ons. TSA prioritizes electronics during screening, so fast-track your process by packing smart. Pack electronics on top for quick access and a faster TSA experience. Some airports in 2025 still require laptops in a separate bin. Be ready. Keeping devices on top means you'll breeze through TSA. No digging, no delays. For stress-free fast-track security in 2025, always keep electronics on top. Want to pack your toiletries for carry-on like a pro? Master the TSA liquid rules to avoid any surprises at security. The TSA 311 liquid rule is simple. Pack all your toiletries, liquids, gels, and aerosols in containers of 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters or less for your carry-on. Oversized bottles get flagged instantly. To pack toiletries for carry-on like a pro, always use travel-size containers that meet TSA liquid rules. Invest in TSA-approved travel bottles, clearly labeled with 3.4 Oz or 100 ml, to make packing your toiletries for carry-on easy and stress-free. Place all your liquids in a clear, quart-sized toiletry bag. This is the key to following TSA liquid rules and packing your carry-on like a pro. Carry-on packing techniques are essential for maximizing space and breezing through TSA checks with ease. Use packing cubes to separate shirts, pants, and accessories. This technique keeps your carry-on neat and makes it easy to pass TSA checks. With organized luggage, TSA agents can inspect your bag quickly, helping you move through security faster and keeping your items tidy. Master these carry-on packing techniques. Think of it as playing Tetris in your suitcase. Efficient, space-saving, and TSA check-ready. Electronics packing for TSA doesn't have to be stressful, especially with the zip pouch trick every traveler needs. TSA agents love when your carry-on is organized and your electronics are easy to spot. Simply use a mesh zip pouch for your power bank, cables, and all your tech accessories. This electronics packing hack keeps everything organized, visible for TSA, and super easy to grab from your bag. Struggling to pack bulky jackets, sweaters, and boots in your carry-on for your next flight? Here's the ultimate carry-on packing hack to save time at TSA Security. Wear your heaviest items, like jackets and boots, on the plane. This hack keeps your carry-on light, helps you breeze through TSA Security, and keeps you comfortable. On your next trip, wear your bulkiest gear. Your back, your carry-on, and your time at TSA Security will thank you. Let's talk about secret packing weapons. TSA-approved items for effortless travel. Your personal item bag is a TSA-approved essential and a true secret weapon for smart, effortless packing. Choose a travel backpack, tote, or messenger bag. Anything TSA-approved that fits under the seat. My top pick? A structured travel backpack, the ultimate secret packing weapon. It's like a mini suitcase, with TSA-approved compartments for efficient, effortless packing. Keep your passport, wallet, and phone handy. TSA. Approved and ready for security and boarding. With these secret packing weapons, your essentials stay close and your weight balanced for truly effortless travel. Smart travelers know that carry-on insurance starts with packing a foldable, reusable travel bag in your carry-on. It's the ultimate way to protect your belongings and pass TSA with confidence. Imagine this. Your carry-on is perfectly packed, but at the airport, you're suddenly facing an overweight baggage fee. Or you're forced to gate check your bag because the overhead bins are full, something every frequent flyer dreads. That's when your foldable backup bag acts as your carry-on insurance policy, letting you protect your belongings on the spot. Think of it as compact, lightweight, and TSA-friendly insurance for your carry-on, giving you peace of mind at every checkpoint. Easily redistribute your belongings to avoid extra airline fees, or keep your essentials with you if your main bag gets checked, protecting your belongings every step of the way. Plus, these reusable bags are perfect for day trips, shopping, and spontaneous adventures, making them a must-have for every traveler who wants to pass TSA with confidence. Ever opened your suitcase after a flight and found your toiletries have leaked everywhere? Spilled shampoo and messy luggage are every traveler's nightmare. But with these leak-proof packing tips for TSA-approved carry-ons, you can prevent leaks for good. All you need is regular tape, an essential travel accessory for leak-proof packing. Before packing your TSA-approved carry-on, unscrew your toiletry lids, place a small piece of tape over each bottle opening, and screw the lids back on tight. This creates a leak-proof seal, perfect for any TSA-approved carry-on or travel bag. Even if your luggage gets tossed around, your clothes stay clean and organized. This quick packing tip takes seconds and saves you from travel disasters. For stress-free, organized travel, always pack your toiletries with tape for leak-proof results. Next time you pack your TSA-approved carry-on, remember these leak-proof packing tips. Your clothes and your future self will thank you. Happy travels. My top travel tip: practice packing for TSA before your trip to master the art of efficient carry-on organization and enjoy a stress-free airport experience. It might sound unusual, but a packing rehearsal is the secret to efficient carry-on organization and smooth TSA screening. A few days before you fly, set up a mock TSA security checkpoint at home to practice your packing routine. Pack your carry-on as you would for real, then practice removing electronics and laptops quickly for efficient TSA organization. Place your TSA-compliant liquids and travel-sized toiletries in a clear bag, ready for screening. This is key for efficient carry-on organization. Walk through your imaginary metal detector with confidence, just like you would at the airport, to perfect your TSA packing routine. This simple packing hack helps you spot any issues with your carry-on organization before you reach TSA Security. Think of it as a dress rehearsal for your TSA packing and efficient carry-on organization. By practicing your TSA packing routine and mastering efficient carry-on organization, you'll breeze through airport security, avoid delays, and travel smarter every time. Here's your final TSA checklist to be 100% ready for airport security in 2025. With clear toiletry bags, organized electronics, and smart packing, you'll breeze through security and avoid last-minute stress. Use these TSA-approved packing hacks to prevent delays, avoid bag checks, and make your travel experience stress-free. Efficient packing isn't just about saving space. It's about making your airport security screening smooth and hassle-free. Use packing cubes, double-check your TSA checklist, and keep your carry-on organized for the best results. Want to know what not to pack in your carry-on for 2025? Watch our next video on TSA banned carry-on items for 2025 to avoid mistakes and stay 100% ready. Stay informed, follow your final TSA checklist, and travel smarter for a hassle-free airport experience.